Okay, so good morning and welcome. Ninth B class for algebra, chapter number 3, polynomial. Polynomial say mix 10 marks, 5 algebra, 5 geometry. So, polynomial, the basic thing you have to remember that in the equation, power should not be negative. Power should not be in the fraction. If these two things are not there in the equation, it is polynomial. For example, 3.1 y plus 1 by y, 2 minus 5 root x square plus 7x plus 9 and 2m square plus 7m minus 5 and 10. See, now this, see, if it is in denominator, so power is minus 1. Say, if it is root, so power is half. This is same power, this is same power. So here, this polynomials in a simple form, this is a minus power. So it is not a polynomial. Under root means fraction power, not a polynomial. 2 is a rounded number, 1 is a rounded number, means the power should be in whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a polynomial. This is also polynomial and this is also polynomial. This is called constant polynomial. Who want to ask? Ask no, only sir, 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 you are shouting. Right. This is minus. So when it is minus, no power. Sorry, not a polynomial. So whenever there is a negative power or in the denominator, from denominator to numerator, when you will carry, it will become negative. So negative power or root power. Root power means what? Fraction power. At that time, it is not a polynomial. Understood? And this is only I want to say that how to identify polynomial. Now, coefficient of m cube. So this is m cube minus 3 by 2 plus m. Power of variables I am talking, not for this negative or this root. What is the power of m? What is the coefficient of m cube? Coefficient of m cube. This is how many times m cube? 1 time. So coefficient is 1. This is how many times m cube? It is minus root 3 times. How many times n cube? minus 2 by 3. If they will ask for the coefficient of m square, that is minus 5. If they will ask the coefficient of only m, so it is 7, it is 1. Like that, for a particular number m cube, they have asked the coefficient. So these are the coefficient. It is polynomial or not. So question number 1, question number 2. Question number 3. Polynomial in x, with x variable we have to form the polynomial. Monomial, monoacting, this word you are familiar. So mono means single, only one, with power 7. Third first. So you can write x raised to 7 power. You can write 6x raised to 7. You can write minus 2 x raised to 7. You can write 5 by 7 x raised to 7. Mono means no plus and minus, only single term. Bi, mono then bi. Bi means 2. Binomial with degree 35. So the highest degree will be 35. So x raised to 35 plus x you can write 7x raised to 35 plus x raised to 34, less than 35 you can write minus 6x raised to 35 minus 8x raised to. These are the by. By means 2. By adding, by subtracting, by adding, highest power 35, lowest power anyone, less than 35. This is the binomial. Monomial 1, binomial 2, trinomial 3, trinomial with the highest degree 8. Highest degree 8. We have to write try. Then 6x raised to 8 minus x square minus x. Minus 5 x raised to 8 plus x raised to 5 minus x. These all are trinomial. 3. So degree is given, so that is the highest. No power should be more than that highest degree. And mono means single, single, single. No plus, no minus. Addition, subtraction not allowed. And in second, addition and with the addition and subtraction you have to write with highest power. Trinomial means by total, by plus, by minus, by plus and minus both. You can write three terms. These are known as trinomial. Monomial only 1. Binomial only 2 by plus and minus. Trinomial 3 by plus and minus. Polynomial means more. Equation and degree. Degree means the highest power. Root 5 x raised to 0 x square root 2 m raised to 10 minus 7 2p 7y minus y cube plus y raised to 5 xyz plus xy minus z m raised to 3 n raised to 7 minus 3 m raised to 5 n plus n. Now we have to write the degree. Five raised to root 5 means 5 raised to half. No variable, no alphabet A to Z, not used. So a degree is 0. X raised to 0, power is given already 0. So maximum power is 0. And x raised to 0, for any base 0 power is 1. And for constant number always degree is 0. Two rules. No variable, degree is 0. Raised to 0, base any. 100 raised to 0, 1. 5 raised to 0, 1. 7 raised to 0, 1. 1000 raised to 0, 1. So this is equal to 1. So for the number always degree is 0. And here also directly degree is given 0. Highest degree is given 2. Highest degree is given 10. Don't count this, don't count this, count this. P variable. Nothing is given, so power is 1. Only 1 P. 1 power, 5 power, 3 power. What is the highest power? 5 power. Now here try to learn 1 power, 1 power, 1 power, 1 power, 1 power, 1 power. So here 1. Here 1 plus 1, 2 power. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 power. So this highest will be counted. It is in the form of product. At that time only you have to count like this. So 3 plus 7, 10 power. 5 plus 1, 6 power. 1 plus 1, 2 power. How much is the highest? 10. Again I want to explain this. Whenever there is number, no variable, no one alphabet is used, at that time power you have to write 0. Second, here it is given 0 power, 0. You cannot compare because only monomial. 2 power, highest power is the degree of the polynomial. 10 power, 0 power, 10 is the highest. 0 power, 1 power, 1 is the highest. 5 power, 3 power, 1 power, not given, so counted as 1. Counted as 1. So 1 power, 3 power, 5 powers, the highest is 5. 1 power, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. In the product you have to add the power as per the law of indices. So here there is 3, 2, 1. 3 is the highest. In multiple, 7, 3 is 10, 5, 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. Highest 10. Till now, in 3 questions, we have learned 3 points. These are best example for MCQ. They will give this. find out it is a polynomial or not. So you can mark this right, wrong, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. When no, when power is fraction, when power is negative, simply write no, it is not a polynomial. Only number, yes, it is a constant polynomial. Students are coming, going, coming, going, coming, going. First, this they can ask in MCQ or in a single mark. Find out this is a polynomial or not. Negative power, not a polynomial. Under root variable, not a polynomial. Fraction, under root, negative. If you are finding this for the variable, not a polynomial. For a particular variable, they will ask the coefficient. Here they have selected m cube. For m cube, it is 1. Nothing is given, so it is 1 time. M cube, how many times? Minus 3 root 2 times. M cube, how many times? Minus 2 by 3. Then this. Example, monomial, only single variable. With product you can write, but no plus and minus. With product you can write. Fraction I have taken, negative I have taken, positive I have taken, nothing I have taken. Different monomial example I have given. Binomial, mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3. Poly means many. From poly, in algebra we are using polynomial, more variables, more terms. Polygon in geometry, more 3 angle triangle, 4 angle quadrilateral, 5 angle pentagon, 6 angle hexagon, 7 angle septagon, 8 angle octagon, more angle polygon. So poly stands for more. In chemistry, polymer means when ethane are in many molecules. So it is polymer, polygon, polynomial. So poly word stand for many. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, 3. By plus and minus you have to make 3 terms. By plus and minus, plus, only plus you can take, only minus you can take, both you can take. But 3 different terms with different coefficient. So these are of single mark question. Find out it is polynomial or not. Find out the coefficient of n cube. Give the example of monomial, binomial, trinomial. Here they are given the equation. Find out the highest power. So how to get the highest power? Only there is, if there is only number, always write 0 blindly. But variable should not be there. See, first of all, 9th B, lowest attendance in full Central Orange, not in full Central Orange, in overall Maharashtra. Secondly, they are coming, going. How you can concentrate? Tell me, bachcha. Degree of the polynomial. When there are only numbers, you have to write 0. Here simply it is given power is 0. 2 power, maximum power. Compare these two. 0 power, 1 power, 1. 1 power, 3 power, 5 power, maximum. In the form of product, whatever, where the variables are different, but it is in the product form, you have to add the power as per indices. 1, 2, 3, so 3 is the highest. 7 plus 3, so 10 is the highest. So among this you are finding 7 is the highest. Don't write 7. Wrong answer. If it is in a product form, take the power of both in form of total. Here 3, sometimes it can give 4, sometimes it can give 5, but in the product form. So you have to write, for example, 3126 power. This is 3 power, this is 1 power, this is 2 power, this is 6 power. What will be the total power? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the total power is 12. Whatever how many variables are there, but it should be in the form of the product, not in like this separate. This and this you can't add by plus and by minus, in the form of product only. So 3 power, 1 power, 2 power, 6 power, 6 plus 6, 12 power. Highest power is always the power polynomial. Simple, they will give one equation. They will not use the word highest power. They will just use simple sentence. Find out degree of polynomial. Find out degree of polynomial. At that time, we have to find out the highest number, highest degree. Next. If you are not getting, you can ask. Classify the linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear means single variable. Quadratic means 2. Cubic means 3 power. Name is what? Linear. Quadratic, this much you can see, no? Quadratic, cubic. So here power should be 1, power should be 2, power should be 3. Example, now this we will classify. If it is 2x square plus 3x plus 1, so 2x square plus 3x plus 1, because 2 power. Next example, 5p only. So here it will be 5p because 1 power. Root 2y minus 1 by 2. Here root 2y minus 1 by 2 because 1 power. M cube, so cubic. Three power. A square only. 2 power. Three r cube. One example, two example. One example, two example. One example, two example. Third I will add. Linear, you can write 2x minus 2y. Linear, 1 power. 2 power y square minus 2. 3 power 3y cube 2y square 1y. In all this, sorry, this is 2r cube. I have written wrong. So this 3 power. So cubic 2 power. So quadratic means 2. Polylinear means 1 power. Linear means 1 power. Highest power is 1. Quadratic highest power is 2. Cubic highest power is 3. In the textbook they have given 6 examples that you have to identify which are linear, which are quadratic, which are cubic. So 2 we have classified. One more we have added. So 9 examples we have classified on the base of linear, quadratic, cubic. Just take a screenshot because these are the answer of question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. Wait, I have to write the number. Say no. First question, second question, third question, fourth question, and this is fifth question. Name linear, quadratic, and cubic. You must have been somewhere else, bacha. That is why you are getting another screen. So pin my photograph. So you will find a big screen on a mobile and press the full screen button also. So on full screen no, you will appear my on your this my board only will be appear. Okay. Take the screenshot, beta. Arey, don't leave the book in the school. I said no. You have to collect on the spot. That lady peon will give you. Don't worry. Just take the photograph. And every day, whatever I am giving, no, you have to write. And very less number of the students have shown me book and workbook that I have marked in my diary. Which number I have corrected, which number I have not corrected. In next date, rest of will not show. I'll cut the marks. Surely. I will give you the date time. Done. Write the polynomial in the standard form. Okay.